Divas by Design.
Welcome to another fun edition of Divas by Design. And design starts somewhere. It starts with the concept, starts with an idea. And the Discovery Museum is doing something very special this month. It is Fashion Month. And all month long, we're looking at the art and science of fashion. Because it doesn't just show up on the rack.
Right. It does go hand in hand.
Right. It's something, the idea, the concept, it all comes from someone's mind, someone's creativity. And Emily is the visitor service manager for the Terry Lee Wells Discovery Museum here in Nevada. Emily, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
What a great idea. Tell us a little bit about why you decided to make September Fashion Month at the Discovery.
Patrick wanted to be on Divas by Design. So
he did?
Perfect. All right.
I get it. He was like, I want to be surrounded by women.
We really wanted to bring high school and middle school students in and give them something that maybe they don't get at school and something that really interests them. So,
yeah, it is a great concept because the whole idea is this entire month of September, you really have something different that showcases the art of fashion. Now, one of the things I want to kind of talk a little bit about, because RJ here is a graffiti artist. I don't know if you know this.
No,
he is a multi-talented guy.
I wish I was in high school right now so I could participate in one of your contests that you have.
And you guys actually have, it's called Kitty Got Soul, and it's all about colorful and random street graffiti that is done legally. Well, first of all, this is all legally. And you teach people how to do this on like shoes.
Yes.
How awesome is this?
Local designer Kat Stahl is running that class, and she actually did this event for Tom's a few years ago.
Okay.
And so anyone can participate in this. It doesn't just have to be high school and middle school students. But if you make something awesome that you want to share, you could be on the runway at the fashion show and party.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And it's interesting. If you go to our Divas by Design page, you'll actually see some of the different creations that people have come up with. And one of the creations that you had, and I thought it was so funny, you explained to us how they came up with this. It looks like business cards from the Discovery Museum that have been made into a dress. It is pretty spectacular.
Our staff took a week or so to staple all those business cards together instead of throwing them away. And then we just put them on mannequins, and they turned out great.
It's pretty creative because I think that, not that you're going to walk around with a business card dress on, but the idea that you
if you're Gaga, you might.
Yeah, Lady Gaga.
Yeah.
These could be potential Lady Gaga designers, is what's happening at some of these classes.
Because it all starts from somewhere.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And the reason you really wanted to get into the schools is, I have a daughter that is a senior in high school, and she loves fashion, and she loves art and design. And you actually have a design challenge that is going on right now at the local high schools and middle schools. Tell us a little bit about this.
Sure. So there's two different designs. There's backpack designs. You draw that on paper, so you're not restricted by actually having to make it. You could come up with all kinds of things like rocket blasters or something.
There's no boundaries.
You could be like the guy that was at the races over the weekend.
The
jetpack.
Jetman.
I would like that. That'd be awesome.
And those will be on display at the fashion show and party too. So the winners will be announced then, and they can win gift certificates to the summit.
Oh, yeah, because this is your partner, as a matter of fact.
They made it happen.
Let's bring Dan Davis. Dan is the marketing manager for the summit. And Dan, tell us a little bit about why you felt it was necessary to get involved with the Discovery Museum and really learn about fashion. It's not just about buying clothes. It's a lot more than that.
Well, hopefully when you think of fashion, you think of the summit. And I think we took a lot of thought in the partnership we established with the museum. And I think they bring a lot of great creativity and ideas to the table.
Right.
Absolutely.
And Isha Casagrande, who is the personal shop there for the summit, she actually does her fashion camps, and I know she's done those.
She's awesome.
She's very creative, and that dress that you were talking about that you guys did with the cards, I have seen her in her fashion camps, which you can also find out about those fashion camps if you go on to the Discovery Museum's website, nvdm.org. But what she does the same thing. She says to the kids, okay, here's some crepe paper. Make a dress. What would be the dress that you would make? What would you do? And to use those different textures and different materials to come up with a creative idea. And that's really where it starts. And, for me, for someone, I enjoy fashion. Like I just recently was reading an article about Vera Wang and what it was like for her as a kid and how she got into fashion design. And it really started like with what you said, those quick little fun, hey, make a skirt, graffiti your shoes. I wish I had a cool art teacher like that. I don't know about you, RJ, but there's no graffiti going on in my art classes in high school.
No,
not legally.
Right.
Yeah,
right,
in the back of the school or something like that.
And there's a lot of science behind it too. So it's not just about that design aspect, but like, why is fabric waterproof? What makes it waterproof? So it's the science and the technology behind that.
And so how does this work? So people can go online to the website, they can check out the schedule. So like you said, some of these classes are not just for middle school, high school students or younger.
For everybody.
Adults can take these classes as well.
Exactly.
And then talk to us a little bit too about the fashion show. You said that's kind of like the culmination of everything that's coming up first week of October.
Right. So participants in the design challenge can display their clothes, and they could also wear their wearable pieces on the runway, or pick a model to wear their pieces if they don't want to get on stage. And then we also have students who will be modeling different looks, going back to school, going out. I think there's a prom and working. Your first job.
Nice.
So
Very cool.
Yeah, we have a DJ coming, and
what day is the fashion show?
October 5th.
October
It's from
5th.
6 to 9. Yeah.
And you can get your tickets and more information. You can log on to nvdm.org. But we've got 2 pairs of tickets right now. We want you to go check out Fashion Month. It's happening all this month at the Discovery Museum. Also want to say a special thanks to the Summit for making this happen.
Absolutely.
It's been awesome. Their donations, their contributions, bringing a lot of really creative ideas to you. We'll take callers number 4 and 5 right now at 851-9650.
Bill and Connie in the morning, on air and online at alice965.